Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm excited to unbox my first Makesy order.
First, I have to share AJNA LUISA with you guys again because it is the perfect Christmas gift for so many people on your list. I personally wear at least one piece every single day, whether it's my Huggy earrings or my favorite necklace. They have high quality jewelry and they aren't going to tarnish or turn your skin green. Their metals are nickel free and hypoallergenic, and the most impressive thing is that they're carbon neutral and very transparent. Another note, they have amazing reviews on their website, so go check those out. I really do love them and I think that you guys will too. The link to shop and current sale going on will be in the description.
Makesy has a bunch of different kits for DIY people that love to make different things for like themselves, for gifts, for anything. And then they also have big kits if you wanted to start like a business creating your own lotions. I think I got the lip gloss one, so like different beauty products, bath bombs, things like that. So it's really cool. I had never heard of them until they reached out to me, and I was like, this is so cool, because as an aromatherapist, one of like the sources of income that could be is selling your own products. So they have like the base for different products that I could make and sell. So I thought it was really cool. I ordered a kit and I'm going to unbox it and share it with you. Okay, so I got the Cocoa Cream DIY Lip Care Trio Kit. So I think it is enough to make 3 lip balms or lip gloss, whatever. And I thought this would be perfect for making holiday gifts too. And you can always personalize them. You have a ton, like everything you need. And I do think I just saw this at Hobby Lobby. So it was like meant to be. I saw it on the end cap and I was like looking at the book because they have a couple of books. And I was like, oh, this is really cool. And then like the next day they emailed me. So this is the Cocoa Cream Lip Care Kit DIY Kit. More scissors. Really sealed up. Okay, so this is what your box looks like when you open it. It's really cute packaging. Then you have a couple of papers. So they are claiming ethically sourced, transparent, high quality, eco-friendly as far as the ingredients and the products go. And then this is my, I think, directions, like how to make my kit. Oh, there's so much of this cute. I can reuse this in little gifts too. I'm really excited about that. Just stay right there. I'm gonna take most of it out. Oh, it looks like more than 3. What does it say? Lip Care Trio DIY Kit. Okay, here's what's in the box after all the fluff is gone, and I'll just kind of take it out and show you too. These are super cute. I hope I can get this to focus. These are the containers, little bamboo tops, super cute. The next one, ooh, this is the all natural lip balm base. So I'm sure this is like the second part of the trio. Let's see if it smells like anything. Oh, all natural lip balm base. So 2 bases. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these containers. And then this bag has a bunch of things in it too. And then you also get some droppers, 3 of those. It'd be fun to have a party, get one of these kits and like have a peppermint lip gloss making party or something like that. The possibilities are endless, really. I love making things. So in here, there's a ton of stuff. Whoops. Okay, there's vitamin B3. Okay. There is natural coconut cream flavor. So they have a ton of these flavors and perfumes and essential oils on their website to add to or to just buy singly or in kits. Glycerin natural sweetener. Make sure your lip gloss is tasting good. Pure Silk natural emulsifier. Whoops. These are just all of the ingredients. Whoops. Organic coconut sugar, virgin macadamia nut oil, plant-based preservative. And then there's some little spatulas, like mini spatulas. What is this? What did I drop? And then labels. So you get to label everything that you make as well. I'm really excited to get started and make these. So I had it wrong. I think I said it makes 3. It makes 2 sets, and we're making a lip balm, a lip mask, and a lip scrub. So there will be 3. This is the lip care trio, and then it makes 2. So you're gonna make a scrub, a lip balm, and a mask, which lip masks are so essential in the winter, especially here where we get tons of dry weather and snow and cold. So it says treat your lips to a homemade naturally repairing lip care trio, lip balm, organic sugar lip scrub, and a plumping lip mask. And the lip mask contains niacinamide, vitamin B3, which helps trap water and stimulate circulation for a naturally hydrated and plumper pout. I'm really excited. So I will film making all this too, so you can kind of see how easy or not easy it is to make. It looks pretty simple, but I'll share that soon. But let me know what you think. If you have heard of Makesy, if you've seen it on the end cap at Hobby Lobby like I did. Was it Hobby Lobby or was it Joann's or like Michael's? It was a craft store that I saw this stuff in. But let me know if you have any questions. My link and discount code, I believe, will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. Have a good day. Bye.